Out and do something completely different today. Instead of coming out for a sunrise or out for a sunset, I thought I would come out in the middle of the day, or middle of the day-ish, and shoot with the sun pretty much at its highest, which is something I very rarely do. There's a couple of reasons that I very rarely do it, especially in the UAE. The one is, it's too bright. It just doesn't appeal to me with it being so bright. The other one is there's no clouds in the sky at all, none whatsoever. Joys of living in this climate, I suppose. And the other reason is it's too hot, too humid. We've got to that time of year where you hibernate, simple as. So anyway, the other thing is I thought I'd challenge myself then to come out this time of day, as I said, but also to shoot with minimal gear. All I've got is the X-T3, the 10 to 24, and a circular polarizer. Nothing else at all. No tripod, handheld, okay? Which shouldn't be a problem with this brightness, so I should be able to keep the shutter speed up. But not only that, I'm going to shoot in black and white as well. There's some nice sort of buildings around Yas Marina. We're at Yas Marina, by the way. There's some nice buildings around here. We've got the Yas Hotel, we've got the Grand Prix track as a backdrop. There's the VIP tower at the Grand Prix track over there, and then the buildings of the marina itself, plus all the boats. So I'm going to have a wander around, going to look for a single composition as I do, and then deliberately shoot with black and white. So I'm not going to look for the colours. I'm not looking at colours on this. What I'm going to be looking at is sort of tones and shadows. So I'm shooting with black and white in mind. So let's have a wander and see what we can do. Let's go. My composition. I'm going to shoot from these railings here, although they're not going to be in the shot. I'm going to use a 16:9 format because I want to get all of this in. So I'm going to get the Yas Hotel in, the boats in the foreground, and then this here is the main stands on the Grand Prix track, and then the hospitality villas behind that the sort of F1 drivers use during race days. And what I've just realised is, while I was looking for the composition, right above me at the moment is the flight path. So they're departing Abu Dhabi at present, and I've just had a 380 go over the top, and it's clean down the middle between the two. So this is the composition I'm going to use. I'm shooting at we're using ISO 80, about a 60th of a second. I've got about an f18, and I'm right up at about 12mm on focal length. So all I've got to do now is wait for the next plane to come over and take the shot. I know I said I wasn't using a tripod, but the handrails will do instead. Sounds like a plane is coming now. It's not the